Good morning, children. Welcome again in SST class. In last class or last video, we had seen that the Deccan Plateau or the Southern Plateau is divided into 4 parts, and we have discussed about the first part, the northwestern part. Today, we shall see the second part, the northern eastern part. See carefully page number 20. The northeastern part comprise of some parts of Bihar, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh and आंध्र प्रदेश. नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट्स में शामिल हैं बिहार, ओडिशा, मध्य प्रदेश और आंध्र प्रदेश. दिस पार्ट is further divided into 3 main regions like the Chota Nagpur Plateau, the Chhattisgarh Plain and then the Bastar Hills. Now we shall see one by one in detail. See your book. Number 1, the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is very rich in minerals resources. खनिज पदार्थों से भरा हुआ है. Minerals like coal, manganese, mica and bauxite are found here. The river Damodar, which flows through this region, has the largest deposits of coal in India. Most of the iron and steel industries which requires a large amount of coal is located here. आयरन और स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज़ के लिए कोल की ज़रूरत होती है जो यहाँ पर पर्याप्त मात्रा में मिल जाती है. लार्ज स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज हैव बीन कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन जमशेदपुर, बोकारो एंड राउरकेला. You see this picture, steel industries in Jamshedpur. You see here. The Chota Nagpur Plateau receives heavy rainfall. बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में यहाँ वर्षा होती है. The hills here are covered with thick forest which provides wood, lac and gum. Next region, the Chhattisgarh Plain. The Chhattisgarh Plain lies to the south of the Chota Nagpur Plateau. It is a wide and fertile plain land formed by the river Mahanadi. Children, have you listened the name of Hirakud Dam? It has been constructed across river महानदी. महानदी में ही हीराकूद डैम बना हुआ है. जो फ्लड्स को रोकता है. द हीराकूद डैम not only controls flood but also provide water for irrigation and for generating electricity. Rice is the main crop grown here. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Bilaspur and Bhilai are important towns in this area. Bhilai is noted for its huge steel plant. स्टील प्लांट के लिए भिलाई महत्वपूर्ण है. नेक्स्ट, द बस्तर हिल्स. These hills lie to the साउथ ऑफ द छत्तीसगढ़ प्लेन। छत्तीसगढ़ प्लेन के साउथ में है बस्तर हिल्स। दिस रीजन रिसीव्स हेवी रेनफॉल इन मानसून। मानसून में काफ़ी वर्षा होती है यहाँ पर। द हिल्स आर कवर्ड विथ थिक फॉरेस्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग bamboo शाल एंड teak woods. This place is inhabited by many tribes. इसमें बहुत सारी जातियों का निवास है। बस्तर ट्राइब इज़ वन ऑफ देम। Children, in next class we shall discuss about the central part and then the southern part of the Deccan Plateau. You read again and try to understand. Thank you.